So today's lesson is basically a continuation to the previous lesson entitled division. So in this lesson, I'm going to talk about long division. So if I have 65 divided by 5, we took last time that the first number is called the dividend, while the second number is called the divisor. So now let's divide 65 by 5 using the long division method. So first, I have 6. So I need to divide 6 by 5. So I need to think of a number. When I multiply it by 5, I will get 6. Unfortunately, we don't have a number. When I multiply it by 5, will give me 6. So the closest number is 1, because 1 times 5 is equal to 5, and 5 is closest to 6. So 1 times 5 is 5, and now I will subtract. So 6 minus 5 is 1, and I will move down the 5, so I have 15. Now I need to think of a number when I multiply it by 5 will give me 15. So that number is 3, because 3 times 5 is 15, and I will subtract, so the answer is 0. So 65 by 5 is equal to 13. Now in the second one, I have 412 divided by 12. So again, the first number is 4. So I need to think of a number when I multiply it by 2 will give me 4. So that number is 2, because 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And now I will subtract, so 4 minus 4 is 0. Now I will move down the 1, so here I have 1. Again, I need to think of a number when I multiply it by 2 will give me 1. So I don't have a number like that, so I will write down a 0, because 0 times 2 is 0, and 0 is closest to 1. Now I will subtract. Here I have 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, and I will move down the 2. So I have 12. Again, a number when I multiply it by 2 will give me 12. So that number is 6. So 6 times 2 is 12, and I will subtract, so the answer is 0. So 412 divided by 2 is equal to 206. Now let's talk about the names. So 412 is called the dividend, 2 is called the divisor, 206 is called the quotient, and 0 is the remainder. In this example, again, 65 is the dividend, 5 is the divisor, 13 is called the quotient, and the remainder here is 0.